Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Rio5 LX Plus trim level. Car's done up in a beautiful silver color. Nice basic little car with a few options that we're going to talk about. Car qualifies for the Kia certified program as a certified pre-owned. And on the driver's side, we see Sirius XM is on. Car is equipped with a Sirius XM receiver, and there will be a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio included. Looking at the door, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors, traction control, and a control for the dash lights. This little 2018 Kia only has 17,760 kilometers. There's the Sirius XM on the radio. Has AM FM channels as well. Has a backup camera. Climate control. Auxiliary and USB ports and a 12-volt charging port. And down on the bottom we have 2 heated front seats for driver and passenger, a heated steering wheel, and a sport mode switch. Done up in nice black interior, cloth seating, and the driver's seat is height adjustable. In the back, plenty of room for passengers. Those rear seats are a 60-40 split, which means that you can put down one side or both sides, depending what you're carrying and who you're carrying. The back of the car, we have a hatch, and there's a cargo shelf, which keeps your stuff out of view of anybody. So I said you can lower those seats down if you need to carry more cargo and less people. Or if you have to carry some people and some cargo, you can put down whichever side works better. Plenty of room back here for suitcases, for sports gear, for outdoor gear, anything you need to carry with this little Rio. So this 2018 Kia Rio5 LX Plus trim level is available from West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, very convenient, from about 20 minutes from anywhere in the lower mainland. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays and most holidays. Bring the family down, see how well they fit into this little Rio. See how well a little Rio will fit into your lifestyle. Again, that's West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Come and visit us today.